Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like and head on over to Rumble and give us a follow there. Well, it's 15 degrees Celsius this morning and it's wet out from the dew. And we will head over to our first pepper plant. The pepper plant that grew one small pepper all summer. That's it. You. Plant. What a weird plant. I've never had a pepper plant like that. And yeah. So it's a good thing I got other pepper plants that actually gave me peppers to use in my canning. Oh, I forgot to bring this in yesterday. That's that over there. So our pepper plants, raided them again yesterday for some more canning. It's great to have your own ingredients on hand. At this point, only using dried dill, but it's still dill nonetheless. And it grew in the garden. And our giant sunflower, still growing, still not flowering. So including the height of the pot, the thing's gotta be, I don't know, 15, 16 feet? Yeah. Well, as we walk by the zucchinis, let's have a look at the fruit. Oh, on this side. Some wee ones growing up there. We'll see if those actually grow into fruit or if that one just rots on the vine. I didn't actually pick the 2 zucchinis in the front yesterday for supper. I ended up cooking some other zucchini that I had. So I think we might be picking those this morning when we get up there. How's it going down here? No, nothing. Another one? Yep, good. We'll just let this whole mess of vines keep growing on the flagstones. And we're still seeing some pollinators, that's good. And I think, yeah. So, it's supposed to be sunny today, as opposed to yesterday's miserable cloudy day, when it didn't even get up to 20 degrees. I think the highest was maybe 19. They were advertising 21, but it didn't get to that on my deck. And my deck's always a couple of degrees warmer. So bush beans, we picked a few of those yesterday. Got less than a dozen. Again, fried those up with some garlic and carrots, simmered in soy sauce. Delicious. And our potatoes continue to potato. Now I dug up more potatoes yesterday to have with my supper. And yeah, there's still growing going on. They grew really slow this year, even with all that heat. Maybe it's that garden virus, the one that reduces the amount of fruit and vegetables that plants produce. And our giant kale. Free kale. Everyone can have free kale for the summer. Just get yourself a pot, put some dirt in it, grow the kale, leave it alone, keep watering it, give it food. It's especially the cheap banana water, and you will have kale. And people say, oh, kale's horrible. You're right, it's not really tasty. You have to eat it with something else or add something to it. But it's so good for you. Well, I should really do something with these as well. Knock the seeds off, rip them out. And how is our squash box when we're not letting zucchinis grow out of control? Oh yes, well, it's all coming down to the end of the season. I would have expected to see a few more squashes than what I got. Oh no! Did it again. Missed this one. How the bloody hell? There's another one growing right next to it. All right, let's turn this off for a second. All right, I don't know how I missed that one. Well, let's hope I don't forget about the other one up here that's growing too. Oh well. Look at that, eh? Missing the bounty. All right, well, let's make our way to the front and go have a look at Butch and all the other growings in the box. And we'll stop off at our lavender. Oh, it smells so good. Well, look at you. Flowering, trying to give us more fruit. Very nice. And as the pumpkin slowly heals itself from its attack. And our corner sunflower, very busy with the pollinators. All right, let's look down at these zucchinis. Oh, look at you guys. Now it's starting to bulk up a little. We'll come back and grab those. And Butch, how we doing, Butch? Very nice. We have the live cam going right now for Butch, which means we are being recorded as we are recording. Well, floppy leaves. There's a few there, floppy leaves happening there. But overall, yeah, the plant's got all those fall stages happening to it because of this bloody weather. The amok collapse and all that. Okay. You guys aren't attacking. No? What's going on here? Oh, that's fun. Oh, yeah. Oh, I gotta take care of that. Well, just had to unwrap some morning glory. I was getting too close to this pumpkin plant that we're trying to save, making sure it's not getting choked out. Oh, morning glories back there continue to do their job, living, climbing. Man, they grow fast. Once they get to that stage. And our other giant sunflower hasn't opened up yet, like the giant one in the back. And meanwhile, our morning glories continue to grow. They'll keep going right till the frost. Let's have a quick look at the other side. Wow. What growth. Okay, well, you've hung out till the end. I really appreciate it. see that the box is doing really well here at the end of August. Just amazing. Again, thanks for coming out, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.